After the machine is detached from the towing vehicle, air and electrical connections must be disconnected. Then, manual air brakes should be engaged to secure the system. In the second step, the machine must be stabilized on the ground using the support jacks. When the base legs touch the ground, the stabilization process is completed. The same procedure must be applied to the jack on the other side. Once the machine is safely secured, the appropriate shaft for the drum must be selected. The selected shaft is inserted into the center of the drum. Then, the correct slot is chosen and the shaft is positioned and locked with the safety pin. Our drum shafts have a bearing system and rotate smoothly. At this stage, the system is ready for cable unwinding. Before starting the operation, the engine fuel valve must be set to the on position. If the ambient temperature is below 10 degrees, the choke must be activated. After turning the start switch to the on position, wait a few seconds and start the engine. Once the engine starts, the throttle should be increased gradually. When the engine becomes stable, the choke should be turned off and the engine sound must be checked. If the engine operates smoothly, the system is ready for operation. In the next step, the drum height must be adjusted from the control panel. After adjustment, the speed is set to minimum and the system is activated in the unwinding direction. The speed should be adjusted gradually while observing the operation. The drum height from the ground is adjusted using the manual control lever. When the lever is pushed upward, pressure increases and the drum is lifted. Once the desired height is reached, the system remains stable at that level. Control levers must be used according to the marked directions. Pressure values should be monitored continuously and must not exceed 160 bar. During operation, the oil level must be checked regularly. It should not fall below the minimum level. Only ISO/VG 46 hydraulic oil must be used in the system. The front height of the trailer can be adjusted depending on ground conditions. This adjustment is made by turning the control mechanism clockwise or counterclockwise. After the operation is completed, the drum should be lowered to the unloading position. The engine speed must be reduced to idle level. Then the engine is turned off and the fuel supply is cut to complete the process.